Welcome to this very important concept-based class. I first decided question number 10, 11, 12. Now I decided to change the question number just to understand correctly. All are question 10 only. Okay, then you don't bother. 10 only. 10A, 10B and 10C. I will first dictate the question. Remember, in future, up to end of your study education, whenever sign problem comes or your confusion comes, come back and refer this question number 10A, 10B and 10C. It will give you complete idea and solution. I will dictate the question. A simply supported beam is of span 5 meter. See, 5, all the three questions same. You write here, first write. Question 10 dictated, not ABCD. Right here, most important concept-based question 10 is dictated. A simply supported beam is of span 5 meter. It is loaded by a concentrated load of 100 kilonewton at 2 meter from left end. And also there is a couple. There is a couple at 1.5 meter from right end. That's all. First question. Find the support reactions if question number A is the couple is 250 kilonewton meter clockwise. Question number B, if the couple is 500 kilonewton meter clockwise. Question number C, if the couple is 600 kilonewton meter anti-clockwise. So question 1, see, 250 clockwise. Question 2, 500 clockwise. Question 3, 600 anti-clockwise. All the three questions, these sketches are given here. Solution one by one, systematic order I will solve. So question 10, first write solution for question 10A. Solution for question 10A. Okay, see here, written here. Three important concept-based questions, very, very important. You add some more statement here. Later stages, whenever you get doubt for sign convention, come back this question. Lastly, about negative reaction, I will tell last. Systematic solution, right? First, see, there is a load and couple. This you can write here. This statement you can write. First, one thing, before that solving for question 10A, you put the three sketches. Number it, 10A, 10B, 10C. Then write a common statement. All three questions, there is a point load acting 100 kilonewton. Because of point load, both support will be pressed down, upward reaction will come. But when couples are acting, you know, because of a couple, if you apply a clockwise couple, left support gets lifted. So reaction will come down, right is pushed down, reaction will come up. Whereas if you apply anti-clockwise couple, right support gets lifted, their reaction will come down, left support, reaction will come up. This all I told earlier. Therefore, little confusion. Due to point load, both reaction will come up. Due to couple, one will come up, one will come down. Now, finally what happens depends upon the effect of couple or effect of load. Among the two, which is more predominant. So, to avoid confusion, what you do is, you write there, all the three questions, traditionally we will assume both VA and VB upwards. We will assume, see, every question you will assume VA, VB both upwards. Later, if you get a positive sign, assumed direction is correct. Therefore, enter the reaction in the same direction as assumed. If by chance you get negative sign for the reaction, then enter the reaction in a direction opposite to the assumed direction. This all told many, many times earlier. Therefore, make all this note. Now start. Solution for question 10A. Usual. Let VA up, VB up. Put the neat sketch. Take moment about A. See, minus VB into 5 plus 100 into 2 plus 250, no into, equal to 0. So this 1.5 meter is not required for us. Okay, but it is required for SFD BMD. See now, minus 5 VB, 100 into 2 plus 250 is 450, correct? Yes, correct, 450. So minus 5 VB plus 450 equal to 0. Now high school student will tell minus VB goes that side, positive VB. So 5 VB equal to 450, VB equal to 450 by 5 plus 90 will come. If you cannot get this answer, why are you studying first of all? Okay, then sigma V0 upward positive plus VA plus VB minus 100, that's all. No, couple is not a load, only for vertical forces, equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to plus 90. So what happens here? Plus VA plus VB, see this plus is this plus. VB value is plus 90, minus 100 0. So VA plus 90 minus 100 is minus 10 equal to 0. So VA will come plus 10 kilonewton. Therefore, support reactions will be as shown below. VA up 10, VB up 90. Solution for question number 10A is over. Here there is not much concept. Both came positive. Okay, over. Now go for solution for question number 10B. 10B. I will fast solve it now. Okay, I will correct it now. You write once again 10B. It is 500 clockwise. Okay. See what happens now. Take moment about A. Minus VB into 5 plus 100 into 2 plus 500 equal to 0. So minus 5VB plus 100 into 2 is 200 plus 500 plus 700 equal to 0. Your VB will come. 1 minute, I'll check the answer. 100 to 5 is 100 into 0.6. 100 into 0.4 is 100 into 0.4 is 40. 255 is 50. Correct, correct. Okay, everything correct. So therefore, 700 divided by 5, it will come plus 140 kilonewton. Whatever you get, I told repeatedly, when you write equilibrium equation, don't write 140. In my class, I insist always write the answer with sign, plus 140. Okay. Sigma V0 upward positive, plus VA plus VB minus 100 equal to 0. Substitute VB equal to whatever you see. 1 minute now. Substitute VB equal to whatever you got. What you got? Plus 140 kilonewton. So VA plus 140 is VB minus 100 equal to 0. So it will give you VA plus 140 minus 100 is plus 40 equal to 0. Oh, therefore your VA will come minus 40 kilonewton. Very important. 40, 250, 500 by 5 is 100. 500 by 5 is 100. 100, that is 40, correct, VA? Yes, correct, correct. Okay, done, done. Here it is. 500 by 5 is 100. 100 plus 40, 140, correct? This is correct answer, minus 40. Now, writes a statement I am going to tell in the class. Just 1 minute now. Sometime what happens is, some small mistakes will spoil everything. 100 into 2 plus 250 divided by 5 plus 90, correct, previous answer correct. 100 into 2 plus 500 is 700 divided by 5 is plus 140, correct. Okay, this is 600. I touch the hand here. 600, okay. Plus 140, correct. Plus 140, 100. So VA comes minus 40, correct. Sometimes some small silly mistake. It's a concept question, so I can't make mistake. Now write answer. Before, don't write that one. That I have to change now. We considered VB vertically up. Answer came plus. Therefore, your VB is correct. How much it is? 140 kN up. We considered VA vertically up, but answer came minus 40. Therefore, the direction assumed is wrong. So therefore, when you write VA here, you assumed upward, negative sign came, make VA downward, VA, but this time remember, no minus now. If you write minus, it becomes nonsense. Upward is minus 40, downward is 40 kilonewton. This is 500, I will change it now, question change, 500 kilonewton meter. This is the support reactions for the beam 10B. Today's class is a very short class because I do not want any more questions here. Because any day, anywhere later, whenever I want, I will tell same problem, question number 10. I will remember question number 10. Go and study and come back. Okay, now, solution for question number 10C. This is more important. Okay, as usual, let VA, VB be reactions and support. This is anti-clockwise of 600. Okay, see here, this question, anti-clockwise of 600 kilonewton meter. 100, 120, 120, 40 is minus 80 should come. Okay, minus 80 should come. Okay. We'll worry later. Now, take moment about A. So, later when I put here, see, this is anti-clockwise of 600. Reactions are still pending. Okay, now, take moment about A. Minus VB into 5 plus 100 into 2 minus 600 equal to 0. You will get minus 5 VB, see, correct, clear, minus 5 VB, then 100 into 2 is positive, minus 600 is minus 400. Minus 400 equal to 0. Or minus 5 VB minus 400 0, VB minus 5 VB goes that side as plus 5 VB equal to minus 400. So it will become, this is now primary school mathematics, 400 by 5. Minus 80, I told minus 80 should come. VB will come minus 80 kilonewton, correct? 40 and 120, correct? Minus 80 kilonewton. Actually, question number C is more important. I will tell you why. Okay, now. Sigma V0, upward positive. But before that, make a note here. Make a note, powerful note. In future, I will not tell. If you get, I will dictate once. Suppose when you solve for unknown reactions, suppose any reaction comes negative, do not change the direction now. It will lead to blunder. Some people will write here 80 down. No, dangerous. Never do that way. For us, VA is still considered upward, VB is still considered upward. See, don't see here. So for solving this question, you make a note. For complete solution or equilibrium condition, see, this is our sketch of reference. Therefore, our VA is upward, VB also upward. Why upward? Because we assumed it to be upward. Okay, now, when you solve, we got minus 80. Do not disturb this one, disturb this diagram. Some people will tell, make down 80. You can, that I will do it. If I am solving a question, I will do it. What I can do, you should not do it. That is depends on your capacity. So 90% people, they make a mistake here. They will go and put down. Then they'll put minus 80 sometimes. Therefore, you do not see anything here. We got the value of VB. See, our VB in upward direction is minus 80 is the answer. Over. Now, sigma V0, when you write the sigma V0, do not see any, right here. Do not see red color. Do not see any answer we got a previous step. Do not see it. You simply see the beam. Simply see the original beam. Simply see the original beam. Plus VA plus VB minus 100 equal to 0. Then substitute VB, whatever you got. we got VB minus 80. Substitute minus 80 kilonewton. You will get VA, where is VA? VA plus VB is, see, this plus is, see, this plus is this plus. This VB value is minus 80. Minus 100 equal to 0. So you will get VA minus 180 equal to 0. VA will come plus 180. 180 correct? 120 plus 60, 180 correct? Over. Now, write class. We assumed VA vertically up. Answer came plus. Means this assumed direction is correct. So, enter your VA in the same direction. No sign now. Now, no plus also. 180 kilonewton. We considered VB vertically up. But we got negative sign. Means this vertically upward direction, assumed direction is wrong. It is actually in the reverse direction. But now remember, instead of up, you enter down. When you enter down, by mistake also, 1.5 not required. Okay, that 1.5, go here, disturbing me. Okay. But do one thing, now you should not write minus 80. Nonsense it becomes. You took upward, negative sign came, so downward of 80 kilonewton. I'll give you an example for you. You imagine profit. See now. Simple example. Actually, for regarding this one class I am uploading in later. Signs, difficulty for sign convention. Simple, I will tell you. Suppose, imagine you are earning and spending both. You earned, see somewhere, you got 10,000 rupees payment. You spent 8,000 rupees. 10,000 earned. 10,000 spent. We want profit. Profit equal to 10,000 minus 8,000 is 2,000 rupees profit, correct? By chance, if you earn, your payment came 6,000 rupees. But your expenses came 9,000 rupees. Expenses. Then you know it's a loss. Don't write loss. Then your profit is, see, your profit is 6,000 is the earning, 9,000 is the expense. So 6,000 rupees you earned, subtract expenses, 9,000. Oh, answer come to minus 3,000. I will ask the question in the class. What is minus 3,000? Profit or loss? Sir, they will tell loss. No. Minus 3,000 is the profit. Profit is minus 3,000. Means it is not a profit. It is a loss of, now no minus sign now. It is a loss of 3,000. See, minus 80 is upward. Means 80 is downward. So when you read with minus 80, it is still taken upward. This class very powerful. That's why short class. I am not putting any more questions here. Tight only I will write 3 very important concept-based questions. Therefore, correctly understand this one. Now, one doubt I already told last time. Simply supported beam, see. How downward reaction will come? Actually, if you simply place the beam like this, downward cannot come. Maybe where downward reaction is there, they will put support from upper side. See, then it can give downward reaction, or it can be rather with the anchor bolt. But that all you bother when you go to structural design. Now, simple support, vertical reactions considered upward, negative sign came. Wherever negative sign comes, put downward. So remember now, minus 80 is not downward. Minus 80 is upward. VB is minus 80. VB in upward direction means VB is 80 down. I told you, if you get a payment of 6,000 rupees and if the expenses are 9,000 rupees, when you calculate a profit, usually profit imagine, 6,000 minus 9,000 minus 3,000 comes. Oh, realize, minus 3,000 is profit. profit of minus 3000 means 3000 loss. Don't tell what loss of minus 3000. Minus 3000 is profit, but negative sign came, so profit is wrong. When you finally tell somebody, you tell them today's my profit is minus 3000. That means today there's a loss of 3000 rupees. So these three concept based questions thoroughly go through, work out, and in future, whenever the substitution problem is there, how to substitute, you repeatedly go through this class and understand for the entire structural engineering now. Even for strength of materials, structure analysis, I will not tell whenever such things comes, I will tell engineering mechanics part 2 support reaction class number, I will note down the class number, question number 10 with 3 examples, critical examples are there for complete concept clearing. Go through that one. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class.